Hello everyone, myself Meghna Patil from SVCE College Department of Electronics and Communication. Today we are going to learn about critical point of a network system. Introduction to network analysis. Network system analysis is a method for studying the structure and dynamics of networks. It helps identify how entities are connected and how those connections affect the network's behavior. Network analysis can be used to identify the most efficient routes between destinations or to identify bottlenecks or other issues that may affect the performance of a network. Network analysis examines, measures, and models network to better understand their structure, behavior, and performance. A network is made up of nodes and edges, where nodes represent objects and edges represent the relationship between them. Application for critical point of a network system. Sketching plane curves. Critical points are used to sketch plane curves defined by implicit equations. Solving optimization problems. Critical points are used to determine the maximum or minimum of a function. A critical point is a point on a graph where the function's rate of change is altered. This can be change in concavity, a change from increasing to decreasing, or an unpredictable change. Critical point is a point on a function's graph where the derivative is either 0 or undefined. Critical points are also known as stationary points. A critical point in a network system is a node that is important to the network structure and dynamics. Critical point analysis is a method for identifying critical nodes in a network. Example for critical point. Determine the critical point of f of x is equal to root under 1 minus x square. Solution. F of x is equal to root under 1 minus x square is equal to bracket 1 minus x square whole to the power 1 by 2. F dash of x is equal to 1 by 2 bracket 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 1 by 2 bracket minus 2x is equal to minus x divided by root under 1 minus x square. For f dash of x is equal to 0, minus x is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0. For f dash of x is undefined, root under minus x square is equal to 0, 1 minus x square is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 comma 1. Then the domain of f of x is equal to minus 1 comma 1. Endpoints of domain is equal to critical points. X is equal to minus 1 comma 1. Then the critical points are x is equal to minus 1 comma 0 comma 1. Importance of identifying critical point. Critical points are important because they indicate where a function's rate of changes and are the only places where the first derivative can change sign. Identifying critical points is important in calculus because it helps solve optimization problems. Identifying critical points in a network system is important for stabilizing the network's performances and spreading information. Security issues in network system. Network security is a paramount concern with threats such as malware, hacking, and data breaches posing significant risks. Understanding the dynamics of these threats helps in developing robust security protocols to protect network integrity. Network security is the protection of underlying networking infrastructure from unauthorized access, misuse, or theft. It involves creating a secure infrastructure of devices, applications, users, and applications to work in secure manner. Role of simulation. Simulation tools play a vital role in understanding network dynamics. They allow for the modeling of various scenarios, enabling predictive analysis and the testing of potential solutions before implementation, thus reducing risks. Network simulation tools are used to model and test the performance of networks, which helps researchers understand network dynamics. Simulation can be used to study the behavior of networks under different conditions such as network protocols, traffic patterns, and security attacks. Future trends in network dynamics. Emerging technologies such as 5G and AI are set to transform network dynamics. Staying abreast of these trends is crucial of adapting strategies and leveraging new opportunities for innovation and growth. Conclusion and key takeaways. In conclusion, navigating the critical points in network system dynamics is essential for effective management. By understanding key issues, leveraging technologies and implementing best practices, organizations can ensure their networks and robots and future ready. Thank you.